The topic of today's video is how to add Microsoft certificates to a LinkedIn profile. So here we are on LinkedIn, and all we need to do is go to the top right here where it says me, that's your profile, and we're going to click on view profile. Then from there we want to go to add profile section, scroll down in this blocks till you get to recommended, and we want to click on add licenses and certifications. And then in here you want to put in the name of your certificate. So you can just type in Microsoft and you can see all the available certificates they give. Obviously the issuing organization is going to be Microsoft. So you can just type that in and it should pop up. And then you'll fill out the rest, like your issue date, expiration date, credential IDs, URLs. You can add what skills are related to the certificate. And then you can add media, so you could add an image of the certificate. And once you're done, hit save. And we'll just close out of here, and there you'll see your license and or certificate added to your profile. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.